right, guys, Santa Fe Valley Trail. This was 3.96 on the watch, so 4 miles is right. We had it closer to 500 feet elevation gain. I think it's because we also went a little bit further than where the end point of this trail is. So about 400 feet elevation gain, and it is an out and back. Getting here is pretty simple. It's off Del Dios Road in Santa Fe, very close to the Del Dios Gorge trailhead. You will actually see a parking lot right here that you can park. It's got a decent amount of spots. Getting here very simple. You guys saw that. Now let's get into those trail details. First thing to note is this part of the coast to Crest. If you guys have not seen that, Google it. I'll put a little map here, but it connects basically Vulcan all the way down to the Pacific Ocean. So it's part of a long trail. Watch for mountain bikers. They are out here, lots of them today. Minimal shade. Yeah, it's on and off. Some parts have big trees. You can take a little break in, but there's not a ton of shade on this. Things to note, just next to a golf course for pieces of it. Nothing too disturbing, but you know, it is an urban hike. It's a nice urban hike though. You are walking next to the San Diego River, so depending on the time of year that you're here, you might hear it more than not. There are some certain parts here where I heard it very loud, and it hasn't rained. We had a little bit of rain this week, but it hasn't rained very much. So I would imagine this trail actually gets very pretty in the spring or after some heavy rain. All elevation is at the very end, and there are switchbacks. There's a lot of them, but it's a very easy way to make your way to the top. And the last piece here is the ending isn't anything specific. You end up at an intersection with the Coast to Crest Trail. You're under one of those huge like electrical towers. For an urban hike, this actually is really nice views along most of the trail. Definitely worth checking out, much better than other urban hikes that I've done around San Diego. Good 4 miles, so trail running is also a good option here. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.